Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the environment. Close apps so Safari can release files. Open Safari now and check the About box to confirm the version, because instructions differ slightly by release. Next, enable the Develop menu in Preferences Advanced. You need it to access storage tools. Once done, you'll have immediate access to developer options and can inspect cookies, caches, and local storage. Make sure to proceed step by step to avoid deleting needed data. You now inspect and clear site-specific storage. Open Develop Show Web Inspector and switch to the Application or Storage panel to see cookies, local storage, session storage, indexed DB, and cache storage. Click each section to review entries so you don't remove essential tokens. Once you identify unwanted items, right-click individual entries or use the Clear Storage button to remove all site data for a specific origin. This targeted removal prevents finish by deleting caches and performing a controlled reset. Open Preferences Privacy, manage website data to remove multiple sites at once and confirm deletion. Then use Develop Empty Caches to clear HTTP cache. Once done, restart Safari so cleanup takes effect. If issues persist, disable extensions and repeat the inspection and clearing steps because extensions can recreate storage. One troubleshooting tip: if a site still behaves badly, test in a private window to isolate browser-level storage from persistent site settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.